Hi, welcome to the second blizzard. Record breaking that there's 2 blizzards this winter. Lucky for us. I'm going to take you on a little tour if I can. I'm not sure you want to step out into the front yard yet. My boots aren't high enough. But let's see and take a look at what we've got. Well, there's a little bit of snow down here. Someone's stuck over there. You can hear that. Otherwise, pretty quiet. I guess you could say it's very pretty. There's my car, if you didn't know. Oh, it's the snowplow that's stuck. Okay, so that's the first video. I'll take one out back.